What really drew me into metal casting is just how unique the operation is. There's nothing like it. I'm our corporate metallurgist in our advanced process materials and sustainability team at Kohler Company. So I get to work across a variety of different metal casting functions around the world. I think the coolest thing about my job is getting to work with dozens of different people across the world every single day, making product that people love and that changes their lives. I think a lot of people think that metal casting is very manual. We work hand in hand with robots every single day. We're always thinking of ways to make things safer for operators, easier, faster, and that's exciting because every year is a new thing that you get to look at. Having such an industrial process that's also in a lot of ways incredibly automated and high tech. There's nothing cooler than that. As a woman in metal casting, I feel like I have an opportunity to be a leader and a mentor and somebody who can really make a difference for young girls. We have a women's network that is amazing. I have had the opportunity to work with some of the best mentors that I've ever had across my career at Kohler and that are here to make sure that I'm growing and developing the way that I want in operations. The sky is the limit when it comes to Kohler Company and metal casting in general. If I were to give somebody advice, it would be just to try it. Check it out, talk to somebody, go tour a foundry. So even if you're on the fence, I guarantee most people are gonna walk away and gonna wanna come back later.